This was beautiful. Thank you for being such sports, you guys. मचा दिया एकदम यहाँ पे. थोड़ी पेट पूजा कर लें, because we're not half bad
हाँ यार,
hosts.
हम लोग को बिल्कुल कुछ खाना नहीं ऑफर किया आप
है
लोगों
ना,
ने.
बस बुला दिया,
क्यों?
नचा
हाँ,
दिया है.
बहुत भूख. आप लोगों को कुछ खाना वाना दिया? क्या दिया? बस. अच्छा अच्छा.
Great.
अरे तो हम लोग को भी कुछ दे दो ना. हम लोग
अरे
सुबह से
स्टार्स को
निकले.
हमेशा मिलता रहता है, अभी क्या देंगे हमें?
स्टार्स को कुछ
अरे
नहीं
यार,
देते, सिर्फ गाली.
I'm kidding.
ओह नाइस. ये
Take one, paper plate में.
ये पाव है
पाव
पर
है.
वड़ा नहीं है इसके अंदर.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
चटनी है पाव में चटनी.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ ये क्या?
नहीं.
अरे
छोटा है चलेगा वड़ा चाहिए ना.
तुमको भी. You all have got पाव बगैर.
चटनी पाव. चटनी पाव.
That's how we roll, guys. That's how we roll. और कुछ आ रहा है? बस there's
अच्छा, कुछ
only
और तो दे दो ना.
savory stuff. There's no
vada
sweet.
leaf pav.
Do we have any? मतलब, let's see if we get the other one right.
I'm off a diet, so I don't mind having something sweet.
Guys, और कुछ है ही नहीं budget में, और कुछ था ही नहीं. So this is all you're gonna get.
So Kalank, we've seen the trailer, we've seen all the songs. Where is the song with you dancing in it? Where is the song with the two of you dancing together? When do we get to see that?
So
Marketing head will answer.
That would be Varun.
no, I think it's Alia also. But why don't you say
Yes.
what's next?
Honestly, Madhuri ma'am's song is a very, very special song in the film. And also for us, because it's Madhuri ma'am and Saroj ma'am collaborating after a really long time. And it is, I think that, and it is, I have to say, one of my favorite songs. It's one of my favorite songs in the albums. Like, I play that song first always every morning. I listen to the whole album. And Madhuri ma'am's song I play first.
But
Have you
Sarojji
picked
herself is
Or
quite
ga-
excited about it. She's been, well, after a long time actually talking to the press.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
So actually,
But it was a very big deal, and I was there in that moment as well. Actually, when Saroj ma'am came on set to see the set when they were going to discuss, and I just saw the energy between the two of them. It was so beautiful.
I just want to know कि you said you listen to the song a lot because even I listen to it a lot. What do you do when you listen to the song? What are you doing usually?
What do you mean?
मतलब when you're hearing the song, what are you doing most
Singing?
of the time? No, because it's called तबाह हो गए. So मतलब usually मैं जब नहा रहा हूँ तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ. But तबाह हो गए.
I can listen to when I'm in the car, when I'm like, when I'm doing my hair and makeup,
Makeup.
when I'm in the shower, whenever I want.
I'm going to listen to it when I work out because it's called तबाह हो गए. और जब मैं बहुत सारे sets कर रहा हूँ मैं बस वो गाना गाऊँगा.
You know, that's so interesting. We put it out on Insta just a couple of hours ago that Varun's physique gets better and better with every movie. And I don't have a movie to watch, but I've seen the trailers and I know this is you and me, but oh my God, well done.
It's a very intimate moment we've just
It
shared.
was a very
No,
Yes,
but
Varun's physique is lovely, but coming back to the song,
Yeah.
it is out on the 9th.
we hope गाना
that's the next
out होने
song,
वाला
तबाह
है
हो
on
गए.
9th of April. बहुत बड़ा गाना है. सरोज खान, माधुरी दीक्षित back after how many years, ma'am?
I think 5-6 years. I worked with her in Gulab Gang. She did one of my songs in Gulab Gang. And after that, we are working on this movie, on this song. I think it's a beautiful song. It's sad. It's got some lovely beats. And there's a lot of heart in the song. Because the story is also going on and coming to a head. And, you know, so there are a lot of elements in the song which kind of adds to it.
I want to ask a dance related question. मुझे पूछना है कि आपने रिहर्सल कितने दिनों के लिए की मैम इसके लिए ये गाने के लिए?
30 minutes, probably.
नहीं मैं हमेशा रिहर्स करती हूँ अपने सॉन्ग्स के पहले और इसके लिए मैंने आई थिंक आई रिहर्स फॉर 2-3 days for this song.
No, but there is one portion in the song, ma'am, which I think we should talk about over here since we're all here, where you do some chakkars.
Oh, I'm
I think we should discuss that because that
It's a
was
long-
that was just like it just blew our mind. How many chakkars have you taken in this?
I didn't count how many checkers I did, but it was a coda जो चलता रहता है. And we thought, how do we make it different dance-wise? Because उसमें we could have done a lot of other things, but then it becomes very common. So we thought, why not just take different kind of chakkars there are in dance in Kathak? So we have done like different chakkars in that continuously, like in one shot.
Yeah,
So
for whole one shot.
yeah, so it was nice, it was fun, and it's always wonderful working with Sarojji because I think we share a lovely rapport. I understand her, and I think she shoots women, like when she works with women, there's no way. I mean, she just makes the woman look beautiful, and it was wonderful working with her again.
But you know, just literally from the trailers and only just to the extent that we can get to see what is there in the trailers. and from what's being said all over the place, we're looking at a story of eternal love. Okay? Just bigger picture. You think eternal love now actually exists? Tinder ka zamana hai, dating apps ka zamana hai. Does eternal love even exist? As a philosophical question.
Varun will be best suited to answer this question.
No, Adi, I feel you have some nice deep thoughts to say about eternal love.
Yeah,
You
let
must
us know.
add a few
What's
words.
your point of view on that?
My point of view on eternal love is I wasn't how do I know how it was back then? So I don't know if I have any perspective on this. I feel love, the emotion is still felt the same today as it might have been felt 100 years ago. I don't think any changes in technology or anything in that can change what that feeling is. Of course, society has changed and we have so many more choices and it gets maybe things change around, but love is the same, no?
आई थिंक डेफिनेटली प्यार प्यार होता है. आई थिंक हमारी जो फिल्म है वो एक्सप्लेन करता है. आई थिंक एन आर्टिस्ट लाइक माधुरी दीक्षित जो इतने सालों से काम कर रही है, उनको अपने आर्ट के तरफ आर्ट के प्रति इतना प्रेम है कि इतने सालों के बाद भी वो काम इतनी शिद्दत से कर रही है, इतनी लगन के साथ कर रही है, दैट शी कैन स्टिल कम बैक एंड गिव एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट एंड लुक एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट, एंड दैट्स ओनली लव फॉर द आर्ट. And I think
eternal love
that's
for art.
eternal love. That's
Yes.
eternal love.
I would like to say one thing related to love, and also since we've spoken about Madhuri Ma'am's song, which is called Tabaa, कि अक्सर लोग मोहब्बत में तबाह हो जाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग अपनी तबाही में भी मोहब्बत ढूंढ लेते हैं. कलंक मोहब्बत की कहानी है, तबाही की नहीं.
Wow. Well done. Fantastic segue.
So in the trailer, you say बर्बाद हो जाओगी and
बर्बाद हो जाओगी, दर्द के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दे सकता.
दर्द के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दे
ये
सकता.
मैंने पहली बार जब मैं आलिया को मिला था मैंने तभी भी कहा था
So
उसको.
in real life, if that was ever the proposition to either one of you, would you say yes?
Oh God.
Like, don't be in love with me, don't be foolish. But I mean, the movie is encouraging you to yes. Why not? It is a.
जब प्यार होता है तो आप कभी सोचते नहीं हो ना, आप ज्यादा सोचते नहीं हो कि गलत क्या है सही क्या है. ये अग्री भी कर रहा है मेरे साथ. हाँ, अभी हुआ है इधर को. क्योंकि जब होता है तो फिर आप सोचते नहीं हो जब प्यार होता है जो गलत है जो सही है. बट मैं बहुत लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो हमारी फिल्म है ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ डील करते हैं, नॉट ओनली इटर्नल लव. बहुत सारे, क्योंकि जो फिल्म है इट्स बेस्ड इन 1940s के दौरान बेस्ड है ये फिल्म, तो बहुत सारे चीज़, माहौल अलग था हमारे देश का उस वक्त, तो बहुत सारे चीज़ हो रहे थे उस वक्त. तो जो बलराज चौधरी का कैरेक्टर जो संजय दत्त सर निभा रहे, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. कुणाल खेमू भी है हमारे फिल्म में, ही हैज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग रोल इन द फिल्म. आदि जो कह रहे हैं, वी शोन वन फैसेट ऑफ हिज कैरेक्टर अभी ट्रेलर में, बट बहुत सारे दूसरे भी चीज़ें, व्हाट हिज रिलेशनशिप ही शेयर्स विद सोनाक्षी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप ही शेयर्स विद आलिया इन द फिल्म, वो सारी चीज़ें अभी तक बाहर नहीं आए हैं.
Yeah, and they were exploring different relationships. It's like he said, it's love, but love is not only a love that a man feels for a woman.
Yeah.
It's what you feel for your family, for other things. So that's what the film is exploring it in its entirety.
You know, I'm seeing from what I've seen on the trailers, a love quadrangle. Can you just elaborate on what I'm seeing?
No,
Because
we
I'm-
can't elaborate.
I'm little bit confused. I mean,
You should be.
so no.
No, see the word I would use is intrigued and
Okay.
not confused.
And quadrangle is correct or
No,
rectangle? or what
whatever
is it?
angle, that I feel like the only angle one should pay attention to is the 17th April angle, which
ये
you
जो-
will see in the theater.
Madhuri ji, we have to ask you, what drew you to Kalank? Why? What made you say, हाँ, ये इसमें मुझे काम करना है?
Well, a lot of things happened. You know, Sri Devi was supposed to do this role. Sriji was supposed to do it, and you know, she passed away. And then they came to me and they said, you know, please do this role, ma'am. So I listened to it, and I think it was a very emotional thing for me because you know, with Sriji, it has been we've not been like been associated all the time. You know, ever since my career started, and there was always an association in some way or the other between us, whether it was comparison or whether it was, you know, saying that these are the two headliners for women in the industry, or you know, those. So it was a very emotional point for me, and I thought, okay, why not? You know, it's a great script. We have Varun and Alia and Aditya and everyone in the film. So I thought it would be a great role. Also, Bahar Begum, uska jo role hai, she is a very recluse kind of a person, and very different from the roles I've portrayed so far. And she always holds the cards very close to her heart, and she never really gives in to anyone. And she's quite, because some things that some decisions that she took in her life were like, maybe she regrets them or whatever. But that's the way she is. And I thought it was very intriguing. The character is very intriguing in the movie.
The character looks intriguing. The trailer definitely looks intriguing, and I'm very happy with the way you guys are handling these without revealing too much. like it's an art to
That's-
reel us in, because you're like, oh, and then you're like, okay, 17.
नहीं, वो इनके वजह से है क्योंकि जब भी मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ तो ये जो बड़ी बड़ी आंखें हैं और भी बड़े हो जाते हैं और मुझे ऐसे घूरते तो मैं ऐसे ही नीचे देखता हूँ फिर
So we have no
I'll
choice
let you
but to wait
talk
for the
about
17th.
1-2 things.
सीखी हमने सब कुछ ना सीखी दुनियादारी हम हैं अनाड़ी
Alia, was it scary to dance with her in front of her? Did it?
In front. I'm
front.
going to say it time and again, in front. It was a bit nerve-wracking. But I was honestly nervous about the whole thing altogether. The fact that Madhuri ma'am will be there, the fact that it's a classical number, the fact that I've never done any classical Indian dancing in my life. My body language is very, the opposite of graceful according to me. So it was the whole experience of it that was a bit scary. But to be honest, I love things that scare me.
Right.
And I really believe that if there is something one should do, is like do something that scares you a little every day. And this whole experience scared me a lot. So I think I have done my scary bits for quite some time. But I really learnt a lot as a human being, as an actor, as a performer, as everything. Just going through the process of the song.
Yeah, no, and now that was rehearsed and then you shot it. And today you actually did like Kathak for us and Chakkar Vagera also. That was amazing.
It's
Wasn't
just this
she
one
amazing?
hook which I can do in my sleep
Achha,
because
in your
I did it so many times. So it's like something like I remember Varun and I were promoting even Student of the Year. We had done Disco Divane so many times that no matter what happened, we just used to.
एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर हम लोग ने एक चीज सीख लिया था करण सर से कि अगर आपने खुद के गाने पे नहीं नाचा ना तो कोई और नाच लेगा क्योंकि जितना करण साहब ने राधा पे नाचा है उतना आई थिंक आलिया और मैंने भी नहीं नाचा है
And I told Karan, I said, now you're going to take Gharmore Pardesia also from me.